everybody, it is David and Jennifer here. Thank you for being on our channel with us today. We are on site and we're going to be decorating for a customer in their home because we do go out into homes and decorate with the products that David has designed for Christmas. So what are we doing today? A Christmas tree?
Christmas tree and a mantle, I think. Yeah.
So stay tuned. Let's get started.
So for trees, we need to make sure that the branches are straight, separated, and then at the back, we tend to go with a bit of a star shape. One angle up, two at an angle, and two down. And that fills in the majority of the space that you're working with.
Who do you have helping you today?
My dad, the master fluffer.
Hello.
The master fluffer.
Master Christmas tree shaper. Yeah.
This is the guy that started the wholesale business almost 50 years ago in the flesh. So you do actually cut tags off of things.
Only if it's purpose. Today at this house that we're decorating, we had a customer that came in the store and loved our Celtic Garden tree, and we're basically replicating it, but she wanted to add a little bit more brown because she's got a little bit of a rustic mantle here, some stone, so we're adding a little bit of brown and a little more natural to make it coordinate with the house more. So we're going to start by adding our clock pieces and our snow pines into the tree. I know that not everybody wants to put a 7-foot birch tree in their house, but you'd be surprised how many times we have customers that actually want to treat it exactly the way we do it in the store. Very big, very elaborate, and we are more than happy to do that for you.
We're getting started on the mantle to match the Christmas tree in the Celtic Garden theme. David is getting everything set up. You can see that the garland is on the mantle. I think this is our 9x14.
It is 9x14
lighted garland. He's working on getting it plugged up now.
So the first thing I'm going to add is this flock Newport pine spray. our flock eucalyptus spray. I'm using my stem to go along with the garland, and then I use a little piece of the tine from the garland to wire that in so that it stays securely in the garland. Snow boxwood berry, just for a little bit more green snow effect. Paper wrapped birch garland. Our natural wood disc spray. Actual little slices of wood wired to a branch. Lots of fun. So for this, we actually have 3 or 4 different ribbons we're going to use, and I'm going to tie a couple of bows individually and then add them to them. So for some ribbon, I'll cut tails out at the end, but sometimes I'll just curl it back on itself and make some little ribbon curls, especially when you have a lot of different ribbons. It works very well to create a nice effect. Now we're going to add a few ornaments to this garland. So now I've actually put our white deer head on the rock for the fireplace, and I'm going to use some branches to kind of connect the two up here. Somewhere right there in front of the, yeah.
Tell me when.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh, and the little nutcrackers. Oh, I love it. I seriously love
I went
it.
a little different direction because I decided that you needed something higher up
Yes.
on the fireplace. And so I put the deer head there. You really had enough for the top of the tree anyway.
I love it. I don't know if I told you today when I was in the store, but did I tell you, y'all, I love Christmas so much?
I
Don't, probably not.
don't know.
Okay, well my granddad was the Santa at the Florence Mall for my entire childhood, forever. And he had cancer and he passed away around my 11th birthday. And so Christmas is just so big in our family. So his wife, my grandmother, she is going blind. And so this is probably going to be like her last Christmas where she can really see. And so she's going to come spend the night this week to see everything.
Good.
So I'm so excited because Christmas is such a big thing. And I called my husband, I said, I'm going in to look. I said, do you want me to wait till you get here? He said, no. He said, because you'll make me cry. I don't want to cry. This is so pretty. Like, oh my goodness.
I'm glad it was you.
Y'all have worked so hard. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna want to sit in here all the time. I will have a reason to want to come home at night because I usually can't get out of the shop.